Let's search for a silver lining of trust, which will create a sense of ownership that goes bottom up instead of top down. It's time to aim, sprint, and execute. Leave the long run behind and enhance your ways of winning the race. Make way for yourself from the middle of the old to a new battle. You are the fighter, so break the gates and conquer the quest. You have to live in a world full of changing opportunities and demands. Only the fittest one will survive in this world, so watch out. You never know who will be next. Don't just stand there at the edge looking at the chaos. Be brave and jump into it to transform it into an opportunity with your courage and resilience.